Hello everyone and welcome to Dino Camp 2020, and right now we're going to be making a Q-tip skeleton like this Q-tip acro I made a little bit ago. But before we get started, I'm going to talk a little bit about fossils and fossil casts. So what is a fossil? A fossil is the remains or traces of plants or animals that lived a long time ago, such as footprints or dinosaur bones. Fossils help scientists study these creatures that lived in the past, and a scientist that studies fossils is called a paleontologist. So what is a fossil cast? A fossil cast is a replica or copy of real bones or fossils. And then usually the real bones are used to make the cast or the mold, and then are stored safely away, like our Acrocanthosaurus here in our museum, which is a fossil cast. So now we're going to go right into our craft. If I scoot everything over. Scoot. Okay, so for this craft, we're going to need a piece of black construction paper, some craft glue, some Q-tips, and scissors. So to get started, I usually just want to map out our skeleton first. And I'm going to make a simple T-Rex. So first we're going to start with its backbone. Then we're going to give it some legs. And a tail. Might do two. What's nice about Q-tips is that they can bend without snapping, so you can fit them on the paper. And to make smaller ones, you can either bend them back and forth until they snap, but if that's taking a bit, then you can take our scissors and cut those in half. And remember to be careful with our scissors. So now he has little T-Rex arms, like so. Then we'll take another Q-tip and we'll make a C to make the back of its skull. Place that there. We're gonna snap another one to help make the jaws. This one don't, oh, that one doesn't want to snap. And then you can mess around to make the shape that you want. See, this one's gonna have a tiny mouth, tiny head. And then to make an eyeball, if you want it to have an eyeball, then you can just take one of the fluffy parts, cut that off. Put that there. And now that our skeleton's all mapped out, I'll fix that later. We're gonna take our glue and we'll glue them down. For the longer ones, I like putting it directly on them. Just stop.